D3 control. D3 is a JavaScript library which is used to create rich visualizations, primarily using SVG. If you go onto their website, you will notice that they have comprehensive documentation here in terms of how to script those visualizations and transformations. They also have a long list of examples and samples which one can use. For example, here is a sunburst visualization which I have copied and put into our template for D3, as you can see here, and using the script, which is roughly around 100 lines, I'm able to create this visualization very quickly, where I can click and show a bit of animation, drill down into items. So how do you use the D3 control? If I go to the design view, I can drag across a D3 control from the toolbox and then give it the D3 script, which will come from my app files. If I don't have the one I want, I can click on plus and then upload the required script file. Once it is uploaded, I will be able to choose it in here. So this is a small script which basically displays a chart and plots XY values on it. Next step I would like to do is provide some data source. So I've already created a data source which is returning me some values, and if I choose that for my control and launch the app, you would notice it will put in the chart which came from the D3 script and plot some values that I sent via the data source. If you look at the script, this is what it looks like. But more importantly, if you look at the generic template we have, the script goes in here, but over here you respond to the data that is being sent to your script or D3 control. So when the data gets loaded, you would like to, for example, in this case, display those points. And when the data changes, you would like to respond to those changes and adapt so that you can have a chart which is live. So if I go ahead and make a change to this data source, which is a table, and I insert perhaps a new record into it, it will then start to appear over here. And as you can see, the new record just appeared. So this is how you configure and use a D3 script control.